Hi, I'm Steve Carter. I'm a resident of Piscataway, New Jersey. Okay. This better? Good. Sorry I didn't prepare anything in advance. I just have the gift of having a best friend whose oldest son is gay. I have two families where the couple is same-sex. And they both have, let's see here, daughter and son. It weighs on, I know the first time this really came up with me was years ago. We found out that my best friend's oldest son was gay. And I mean, what came up immediately was, Jesus, he's not going to be able to get married just like his brother and his sister. And that's grossly unfair. He's a wonderful person, a teacher. I think he takes a lot in terms of providing a valuable service to the state, and takes, what should I say, unreasonably low pay to do it. For me, having talked to my friends, marriage is basically a civil union plus endless litigation. The prospect of litigating from now into eternity to get the benefits and protections you're supposed to have that married people have without facing the incredible expense of basically being in litigation the rest of their lives. These interminable delays fighting for what has been promised and yet not really delivered by any other means other than litigation over and over again is justice. It's justice that is denied. Justice delayed is justice denied. And that's what they know. If you're gay, bi, lesbian, intersex, transgender, you have to look forward to all kinds of litigation. Each and every company has to be taken to court over and over and over again. Such a barrier is just intolerable. I also talk about portability, if you will. What do I much know as a computer programmer, but the world knows what marriage is. No matter where you go, everybody knows what marriage is. It's a portable word. You say, I'm married, people know what that means. You say, I'm a civil union, the product of a civil union. Well, you run out of takers real quickly. You'll run into, well, what in the world is that? Well, I need marriage, I need single, but when you come up with civil union, they just don't know what that is. So whenever you travel, either to a different country or to a different state, Lord knows what your status is. They're not going to know that, well, the New Jersey legislature meant for civil union and marriage to be identical. They're just not going to know that. And you find you lose rights and protections. Your insurance may appear or disappear as you cross different legal borders. Some friends I have who were recently civil unionized and had a regular wedding ceremony, I talked to them about it, and they felt so down. They said, I feel like I had more rights as a domestic partner than I do now. After years of working with my company, they know what a domestic partnership is, and now here I'm civil unionized. They don't know what it is. I need to do everything all over again. I live in New Jersey, or these friends of mine live in New Jersey, and one of the partners lives in New York, or works in New York. So their legal status changes every work day when one of them goes into the city to work. I don't know what on earth they would do if one of them's hurt. They wind up in a hospital in New York versus New Jersey. Well, I just wanted to say that we need marriage equality. We need it now, and it has to be the word marriage to guarantee the benefits and protections that the Supreme Court intended for lesbian, bi, gay, transgender, and intersex deserve. Thank you.